Hello, welcome back to my channel, and Happy New Year to everybody. I hope you had a good time. In this video, I'll be assembling this roller seat I picked up at Harbor Freight over the holidays. This roller seat will help me move around while working on projects without the need of getting up and looking for tools. So, let's get to the video. Here we have the cylinder. Here we have the actual, this is the tray, the legs and the tray, right here. The wheels, they're sort of like rubbery, but anyway, it's not for heavy duty work. Here is the seat or the cushion, right here. Now that's metal. So the handle right here, this is plastic. Okay, well padded. So now let's assemble this thing. Look at the instructions. It should be fairly simple. And here are all the list of parts. So let's start assembling this. So we have one piece here, two piece here, and three piece. So all you do is place the cylinder through this little opening here, and then place the cushion on top. This is the lowest, that is the lowest it can go. So this is the highest it can go. Okay, so you can move freely. You can put your tools in here. So you don't have to keep getting up to get them. Whee! Safety first, people. Safety first. All the way down. Perfect. So this way you don't have to be, you don't have to get up and go down all the time.